This is actively fixing nitrogen from the air. Like it's not the plant itself; it's the microbes that are attached to the roots. Mm-hmm. So they're hanging out there, taking the gaseous nitrogen and putting it into the soil as a nitrogen source that's available to the plant life around it. So you see a lot of places use clover as a cover crop. Mm-hmm. So they'll put, plus it grows. White clover tends to grow real low, especially, so it starts out early in the season. That grows, and then the stuff they want, that'll kind of mulch and cover, green mulch, and then the stuff they want will grow up and shade that out, like a progression of things. And red clover is actually a really great place to start too. We were just talking about. I don't see any flowers here. Red clover right here. Oh, these
flower.
Is it? Cool.
Clover in Vermont.
Red clover.
Red clover. This is a little one right here. You can see.
State flower.
Yeah,
red
like
clover.
Chevron shape on the. And it's a little light mark right there. Like this is a really small example, but. Yeah.
This one right here.
There you go. Yeah, that's a good one right there.
And that's white, or is that?
That's red.
Should be the
red
clover.
That's when you see that chevron shape. That's red. And red clover is it's amazing. There's like 33 different cultures in the world who, if cancer is even suspected, will go straight to red clover. Like, it's really good, like blood alkalizing, blood purifying effects. It's great. The Colby loves it. Like you say, you put it in all your teas.
Yeah, any sort of medicinal tea, I'll just add it because it's just gonna help. Pretty much any condition or anything you're doing. I put some the fresh flowers or even the leaves if I can't get the flowers.
Yeah.
Now,
so
how would you chop them up or you just throw them in?
Depending on how many I have, if I was kind of short on them, I'll chop them up to increase the surface area.
Yeah.
But usually I'll just maybe rip up the flower a little bit and throw it in there.
Now, how do you get those to grow more in your area? I mean, is there a way that you can find
transplanting them?
Transplanting them into
we
the
do
area?
a lot of transplanting to kind of spread stuff. And that's, you go to a place where there's a bunch of it and just grab a couple plants, throw them in your yard or edge or wherever you like to go and increase the diversity in that area. You can buy too. You can buy clover seed. Okay. You can buy huge bags of it and try to
that's
seed
what I
areas.
was wondering. Is that stuff good enough for setting out and just let it grow and continue to grow back?
Yeah, it will. If you can get it established, it'll stay until something else shades it out or whatever.
Okay.
So we planted some. I live right on a stream, and we just we kind of terraced it because before it was just unworkable. It was too steep and it would just get overgrown. So we terraced it and we just put it to clover because we want to get its strong roots in there so nothing washes away. But that's really good because now we can, like our elderberry, we planted some elderberry in there. That's doing really good. And other plants that really like that water, that edge.
Yeah.
Roses, rose hips are another fantastic food source.
With the clovers, one thing I like to mention is that the flower heads, I'm sure you're familiar with them, the big purple flower heads, they'll start to wilt and die back, and when they start wilting, you shouldn't harvest them.
Okay.